GURMAR leaves. GURMAR, also known as Gymnema sylvestre, is native to the tropical forests of southern and central India and Sri Lanka. The herb is a slow-growing, perennial climber with elliptical leaves and small yellow flowers. The medical part of the plant is the leaf, which reduces or eliminates the ability to perceive sweetness. For instance, after eating GURMAR, a banana can taste like a bland, overcooked vegetable. This is due to the presence of compounds known as gymnemic acids, which bind to taste receptors on the tongue. This effect has been known for centuries. The Hindi name GURMAR translates as destroyer of sugar. Studies have also found these gymnemic acids exhibit anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory activities. Ayurveda is the ancient science of healthy living based on nature's gift of herbs. Where to buy GURMAR leaves? You can buy GURMAR leaves online, Ayurveda stores or supermarkets. How to take GURMAR leaves? The powder? Take 3 grams powder 1 to 2 times a day or as advised by the physician. GURMAR leaves weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, if you like, 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon GURMAR powder. How to prepare? Add a cup of warm water to the GURMAR powder. Leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. Let it steep. Strain and add enough honey. Before you drink, stir well. Benefits: GURMAR leaves have been shown to aid weight loss in humans by blocking sweet receptors on your taste buds. GURMAR leaves may cause you eat fewer sweet foods and consume fewer calories. A consistent calorie deficit can result in weight loss. Precaution: there is not enough reliable information about the safety of taking Gymnea if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid using this plant. Gymnea can lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Watch for signs of low blood sugar and monitor your blood sugar carefully if you have diabetes and use Gymnea. Gymnea might affect blood sugar levels and could interfere with blood sugar control during and after surgical procedures. Stop using Gymnea at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Before you add this tea to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure GURMAR leaves are safe for you.